Alright, welcome back to part 2 of my search sort algorithm. So last time we did this, so if you want to watch it, go back and watch part 1. Now we are going to do the main method, which is the test, and then we are also going to run it. So we're going to create the build task, we're just going to do that, configure build task. I'm on Windows, so I'm using G++, and I don't want to use any of that. Let's Control V. This is my default build test for anything. This is just normal. That's just anything .c. Oops. Control C. So basically that means compile all .cpp files right there. Don't worry about that. And then that's basically creating the file base name, no extension. Basically, if I compile the main .cpp, it'd be main.exe. And then, yeah. And then, yeah, that is the entire build stuff. Please pause this and type it all in if you have to. And okay, I assume you have this part, and then I'm gonna go over, and then so you can get the rest of this. Now, you've got to make sure you click save on that. Okay. Okay, let's start main. In main, we want to start by first, we're going to include a bunch of stuff. Include, and then we need to do search sort.h. That's the first thing. We need to make sure that .h is included in order to run it. Then we want to include IO stream. You're going to be reading in the numbers from the numbers.txt file. That is why we need that one. And include fstream. That is just another stream type deal. Then for the last one, include IO manipulation. Then okay, we are also again using namespace std. And then we're going to start by doing this void, declaring the methods that we are going to be using. Process sort algorithms. Alright, let's see here. Process sort algorithms, and this is going to be a const int original. And make sure to close that. Then basically we just Control C, Control V, and then file IO. Oops, IO. And then you're gonna go int main. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna create our int original equals, and then we're gonna just add the numbers. 3, space 9, space 1, space 0, space 2, space -4, space -1, space 20, space 14, space 8. That should be good enough. Now, after that, we're going to just do cout, and then that, handle file. Oops, I messed that up. Non-file results. Oops. Handle. That'll be process sort algorithms, and then we want to do the array that we just did right there. Now, after that is done, we are going to do basically the same thing, but with slight twists. So Control-C that, Control-V that, and this would be changed to file result right here, and this would be file IO, and then there is no parameter to read right there. Now, and then after that, we want to also see out. Yeah, so we want to go see out handle after that, and then because it's the main, we have to make sure to return 0 to signal the end of main. Now we're going to start declaring these. So we're going to start with this one, Control-C, Control-V. Now, so first things first, we're going to have to declare a search sort object. So search sort SS, and then we're going to pass it the original array. Okay. Then we're going to do ss.selection sort. Oops. And then, yeah, that's good. Make sure to close it, and then we're going to see out. And then we're going to set W to 14. And then we're going to do this selection. Then close that. And then for open int of e colon ss.original. Oops, I screwed that up. So now then that would be cout space e close. Okay. Oops, I screwed that up. That. Yeah. Okay, and then we're gonna go cout again. Close. Open. Space. Colon space. ss.original. And close that up. Oops. And then it's not. It's ss swap counts. Okay. Yeah. Then what do we need here? Okay, so we're going to do the clone next. We're doing this Control-C, Control-V, and then this would be clone. Yeah, so I gotta put clone here. Okay, so then we're going to do the same thing pretty much. So, but instead of selection sort, we're going to go insertion sort. That's, yes, this. And this isn't swap count, this is slide count. Oops, that's not It's insertion. Okay, then we're gonna go here, insertion sort, yada yada yada, that's good. And copy paste that, Control C. Okay. Okay, so we did that, then we have to do this again. Control C, Control V. So, C out, handle, then Control C, Control V, handle, set with 14, and then this should be binary search, binary search, yes, 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 yes. Okay, so I got that, and then it's going to be ss dot recursive call count equals 0, close, enter. And then be cout handle. We're going to set w the width to 15, close, index, index of 20. Oops, no, we're not at 20 yet. -4. We're going to start with -4. Space, close it, enter, tab. Okay, so now ss.recursive binary search, open, -4, comma space, ss.clone, comma space, 0, comma 9. Close that, and then cout, open, comma space, count, that ss dot recursive call count, and then close that. Okay, and then we just do this similar, so we can just copy paste it, Control V, and then this one is going to be 20, this one is going to be 20 here. Okay, and just keep going, Control V, and then 20, and then we're going to do 3. It's going to be 3, 3, Control V. This one is going to be 33. 33. And as always, you can see that 2 of them should work, and the other 2 shouldn't. Yeah, -4 and 20 should work, and as well as 3, but 33 should not work. So, that's what we were expecting. Now, let's see here. I guess that is it for this right here. Now, we are going to do the file IO stuff right here. Control C that, and we are going to go right here, Control V, and don't forget to save every now and then. And then, so, that, there, okay. Now, in order to do this, we have to first read in the numbers into the array from the numbers.txt file into the array, the original int array. So in order to do that, we need to go int original, 10, close. Then we need to do int I equals 0, close. if stream, an in file stream ifs, and then we're just going to go string str close. ifs.open, and then we want to open numbers.text, close that. And make sure you spell that exactly how you spelled it over here, because it needs to know that. And then open. Okay, if open, and then it'd be ifs.is_open. If that is true, then I want you to do this. Then it's going to be get line from ifs, and it'll get it as a string, so you want to put it into the string variable, and then from there, while open not ifs dot end of file. While it is not the end of the file of the end file stream, we want you to say original of I equals string to integer story of str, and then I plus close, and then we want to do another get line, Control C, Control V. Make sure you have this get line here. This starts it, and this assumes that there's one already that is fine, at least one number. That's why you have to have this here, and then it does this, and then tries to get the line, and if that ends up being the end of the file, it doesn't do that. Okay, and then from here we're going to do else this, and if that is not, oh wait, actually we're forgetting this. We're going to do process sort algorithms, and we're going to pass it original. There we go. Yeah. So now else, if it is not open, then we go here and we just say there's an error reading file. Oops, reading file. Then endl to flush it to the screen, and then close that, and then we have to make sure to close the infile stream.close. Make sure to always close the file if you open a file, otherwise you'll get errors. And then that should be the end. Okay, Control save. Okay, so we got all this done. Make sure you have this exact, because you want every single comma in place, otherwise it won't work correctly. So this command right here is my path of where it is. But yeah. Okay, so now in order to do this, Control Shift B to start executing it. Oops. There's a warning, control reaches the end of non-void function. Okay, I think I skipped something. So we're going to go back to search sort. Oh wait, never mind. Yeah, that's fine. That can just stay there. Control Shift B again, just to double check it. Yeah, that's fine. And then in order to do that, you go here, new terminal, and then you want to do this. In order to do it, you see this main.exe, you want to type in main.exe, I believe. No, it's not. So trash that. Terminal, new terminal. Yeah, it's ./main.exe. This dot means in that folder, and then slash means this file right here. And then you hit that enter. There you go. Oops. Stop working. Close program. Okay, for some reason it stopped working. Okay, I'm missing something somewhere. Okay, let's go through this. Now, endl. Okay, that's that. Double endl right there, file. Yes, endl. Yes. Okay. Okay, I'm missing an endl right here. Endl. Okay. Control C. Control V. Okay, binary search. Endl set width to 14. That works. Okay. And there should be 3 right there. Okay, so we're going to try and run this again. So now Control Shift B. Then we need our new terminal. Go up here. That. Okay, can it stop working? Yeah. So, didn't find 3 correctly. Why did it return -1? Oh well, we'll find out. So let's see here. Now I need to make sure I can see more of it. So let's see. Did my recursive binary search go messed up somewhere? Let's see here. Recursive binary search. Greater than 1, int mid equals from +2 divided by 2, haystack mid equals needle, return mid. Okay, so that, let's go by the book here. Okay. Else if haystack mid is greater than or equal to needle, then recursive call count. Oh. Okay, and then another one maybe? Is that it? Okay. Yeah, that should be... Okay, so that should be there. Go save. Yes, that should be correct. And if, yes. That goes there. This one goes there. Yeah. So now let's try this again. Control Shift B. Enter. Nope, not working. Huh. I don't know. because I just had this working elsewhere. Else right here. Return -1, and then that doesn't go there. Control save, perhaps. Perhaps that'll get it. Okay, 0 and 9. Close program. 0 and 9. Okay, that is correct. 0 is right there, and 9 is right here. That is correct. So why can't I find 3? So it looks like my 3 is messed up. So we're going to go up to 3. Index of 3, 3. Recursive binary search. So needle is 3. Get rid of that. Control save. Let's see what this does. Nope. Why won't my 3 work? It's right there. Why is there this space? Let's see here. So let's start. Let's start at the beginning. Okay, so we're searching for 3. So this is 0 and this is 9. 3 is our haystack. So 0 plus 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. That rounds down to 4. So mid is 4. So what is in the 4 spot? Terminal. Okay, what is in that 4 spot? 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's that 2 right there. So now needle, so haystack of mid equals 2. That is not true. So else if haystack of mid 2 is greater than needle. Excuse me. 2 is greater than needle, that's not true. Else. And then it'd be mid plus 1. So mid plus 1. Let's see here. Tab that over, 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 tab that over. Okay, now everything is now in order. So, in order to get, we got 3 here. We got your haystack. We got from 2. So now that haystack of mid equals 2. That's not true. Else. Okay. Okay, so yeah, this if this else goes there. 2 is greater than. Huh. Why isn't this working? So this should work. I don't know why it's not. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. If anyone figures out what I was doing wrong, please let me know. But yeah, this video is already going over 30 minutes. So I'm going to stop it here. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Otherwise, have a good rest of your day, evening, night, whatever it is for you. Alright, thanks. Bye.